I saw the moon, I saw Saturn, and I saw the nebula. They were all really cool.
The tour guide was very knowledgeable. He answered any questions we had.
And I got to see a star that was shining bright like a rainbow.
There's no need to bundle up and drive to the top of Mauna Kea to see the stars. Several nights each week, Stargaze Hawaii sets up telescopes at various resorts, and the tour of the cosmos begins.
The secret to good stargazing in Hawaii is the ocean. The ocean is flat for thousands of miles, same temperature for hundreds of miles. The air assumes this temperature and loses all vertical air currents. Looking through this air is like looking through optical glass. We can actually see things at least 6 times sharper from sea level here than on the mainland. Stargazing is amazing. From Hawaii, we can see 90% of the entire sky from this latitude.
I was looking at the moon and I swear I could see every crater.
Yeah, I saw all the craters, like.
We had no crowds. It was nice. Wayne was really attentive and for a telescope to choose from, so it was really fun.
We look at star clusters, galaxies. We can look 30 to 60 million light years into space with our telescopes. We like to show nebula, of course, all of the planets and the moon. We also take photographs of the moon with cell phones. It's quite fun. Fifth brightest star in the nighttime sky, 25 light years away from us.
Even as a child, Stargaze Hawaii's founder, Wayne Fukunaga, loved everything to do with space. In 1962, he looked through a telescope at Venus, and his lifelong passion for astronomy began. He started Stargaze Hawaii 30 years later.
We use 11-inch telescopes that collect 1,600 times more light than your eye. We vary the magnification from 50 to 550 depending on the object we're looking at. We have powerful green laser pointers that throw a long beam into the sky to draw constellations. We have iPads with apps on it that we illustrate concepts in astronomy. We deal deeply into the history of astronomy, how things developed in astronomy, how navigators use the stars to find their way across the ocean, and how things were discovered historically.
Stargazing in t-shirts and shorts at sea level has many advantages over the experience at high elevations.
I like to stargaze at sea level because you don't need the coats and all the warm clothes. You're just right here, and especially if you stay at the resorts, you're just minutes away from stargazing, and you don't need to prepare for, especially when you're here with a family, for the cold evening up on the mountain. And if you have kids along, you don't get this, please let's go, it's so cold up there. You can just enjoy it.
It looks like the Milky Way.
Stargaze Hawaii welcomes customers of all ages who are interested in the night sky.
We do stargazing for the entire family, from the oldest person to the youngest. We have interesting views through the telescope which entertain the children, and we talk about the hard science for the adults.
The ring nebula ran out of hydrogen, so it blew out its outer shell.
For more information and to find out how to book your Stargaze Hawaii tour, please visit stargazehawaii.com.